ChatGPT just announced some new functionality. They're integrating with Xcode. Why is this exciting? Specifically, all the other major code editing tools like Cursor, which is the best AI editing experience out there, followed by, which also great experience, Copilot, so far can't be touched by anything else, but neither supports Xcode. If you're not familiar with Xcode, that's where you write software in development for iOS apps. So here I just created a test empty app. I just wanted to see how that goes, and going to see how this works. Never used it before, so no idea what to expect. Let's see here. All right, so we have some tools on the left. I've connected to my Xcode instance. I can search the web, add some things. All right. Let me just start chatting. Can you explain my content view? So let's just see if this will do anything there. Apparently did get access to my content view. That is pretty cool. Can you add tabs to my content view? Well, apparently all right. It says I'll update your code. I don't have to give permissions, but so far it's not done anything. It's explaining it, which is great. You going to write that my file in Xcode? Don't have direct access. All right. It's basically just telling me to copy paste. All right, so we did that. It is my GitHub Copilot is trying to make suggestions. Let's see what that does too while we're at it. I'm holding my options key. That is a very weird suggestion. I'm going to undo that. So -1 for autocomplete in GitHub Copilot for Xcode. That is a very odd suggestion, but this is neat. At least is able to read the code, make some suggestions. Not very far, but at least for step 1, understand that it can see access to the code. How would you refactor my view to have a separate for each subview. So cool, seems interesting. That's sort of cool. Didn't seem to work. Let's see, new file. I do like that it is using advanced clipboard functionality, knowing the file to create. That's nice. New file. So that makes my life much easier. So let's see if this works. Seems to work quite nice. Let's do more than some trivial code, see if that works next. And can you animate hello world? Clicked. Make it spin. Something trivial, but at least make it do something. Seems to understand the code, so let's do a paste here. It's explaining the code. Well done, pretty nice actually. So far, not as good as native Cursor if Cursor had Xcode support, or Copilot, but if it did, this might be what it looks like. There we go. It's spinning. So cool intro test. I'm glad to see what some of the functionality, maybe the last bit. Let's see about it talking live. I don't know if it'll mess up the recording, but let's see. Hi, ChatGPT. Can you also make the globe spin upside down when clicked?
Got it. Laura King. 10. Text spins only when clicked in your home view. I'll refine it so that when you tap the text, it triggers a spinning animation. Updated homeview.swift. You can see the code in our conversation history. Explanation. 1. State variable. At state private var is spinning equals false keeps track of whether the text is spinning. 2. Rotation effect. Dot rotation effect degrees is spinning 360 0.
All right, let's see what it's got here. Let's get this content view working. Maybe it didn't understand me, that's okay, it was a test. Can you, when clicked, have the icon above Hello World bounce up and down as the Hello World spins? Let's see if this works. All right, let's see if this change works. Cool, good enough. Better than other things I've seen, so that's pretty neat. I'll have to do more testing, get back to everybody. Have a good one.